welcome to my channel. My name is Rachael Wanogho and today I'll be talking about your UK cold starter pack. So what are the things that you need to get in place to get ready for the cold? So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. I'll be right back. So welcome back. The first thing that you need is a pair of winter jackets, woolly winter jackets. Can you see that? Thick, something that will prevent the cold from getting inside your skin. And apart from the winter jackets, you also need a pair of socks, cool socks, any color that you want, green, blue, gray, black, just something thick enough to keep your feet warm. You also need a pair of gloves, either a leather pair or a woolly pair of gloves. Either one, you decide, but it must be thick enough to prevent your fingers from the cold, because trust me, you don't want to be jittering like this when the cold sets in. The thing that you need is scarf for your neck, so you go like this and use it to keep the cold out. Trust me, it's very important. It might look like it's just for shakara, but it's not just for shakara. It's actually to prevent the cold out, and you want to make sure that you're getting something that is thick enough to, keep out the cold. Now you have to understand that when the cold hits really hard, you're going to have to layer in your clothing. So you need a pair of singlets inside, and then inner sweat t-shirt or long sleeve shirt, as the case may be, something as thick like this, very thick like this. It could come with a turtleneck or a round neck. I advise you not to wear v-neck in the cold seasons because the cold is really extreme. So something like this, and then you also have like an outer sweater that you wear, something as thick as this, probably with a zip or without a zip. You wear it on top, and make sure that you're putting on your winter jacket on top of it. So the winter jacket is the one for the outside. Then take this one. This is the one inside, and of course your underwear should be under that. Something else that you need is your Vaseline. Yes, because your lotion is not going to work this time around. The cold is going to be so extreme that your hands, parts of your body that are exposed, become white, especially if as a black person. So you need to constantly have your Vaseline in check, so that when the white comes out, you rub it and your body begins to shine. So make sure you have your Vaseline handy. Another thing that you need to have is your hand sanitizer. This is just, for when you go out and you find yourself eating burger on the road or in a restaurant. Maybe you forget to wash your hands, or you go to the library to read and then you sneeze. You need to, keep the bacteria in check. And then you also need lip balm for your lips. Yes, it gets really cold that your mouth begins to chafe. You need to keep your lips constantly moisturized all the time. You need lip balm. Buy lip balm. Not just for ladies, for guys as well. Buy lip balm. Most importantly, tea. You need to always have your tea. So a bag of tea in a cup, once a day, twice a day, because trust me, it doesn't matter how much you layer those clothes, you are still feeling the cold inside your bones. So the tea is to help calm your nerves. You can buy them in different flavors: peppermint, chamomile, strawberry, raspberry, whatever the type. Just buy the one that suits your taste buds and constantly have it drunk. Or you can take coffee if you're a coffee person, chai latte. There are different kinds of coffees that you can try anyway. So you always have to have something hot, for yourself. So another thing you need to get is thick shoes for ladies and for guys as well. You see, it has something to grip the bottom, so you need something that would hold the ground so you don't fall down. Even though there is no snow, sometimes the floors can get really slippery because of rain, and you're going to be doing a lot of walking. So make sure you get shoes that have thick soles with teeth. Another thing you can also include in your starter pack is a bottle of water. Even without the cold, you need water to constantly hydrate yourself. Make sure that you're constantly like energized, because you probably might find yourself in a city where you have to do a lot of walking, especially if it's your first time, so that you don't spend so much money on buses or on cabs. So make sure you have a bottle of water with you handy. There are usually certain areas where you can have your water can filled up, so you don't have to constantly buy bottled water outside. And then for ladies, make sure you get like a wig that you can wear to protect your hair. And for guys, get a woolly scarf, a wool hat. Yes, you can get a wool hat to constantly wear. If you're able to get a little bit of something from the UK cold starter pack, so make sure you subscribe to this video and don't forget to put a thumbs up. I am on socials, on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat as Rayche Riches, and I'm also on Facebook as Rachael Wanogho. So till I see you next time, have a wonderful Christmas and happy 2020 in advance.